Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, Mom. I'm awake.
No, 5 more minutes, please.
Wake up, sleepyheads. The sun is shining.
I am stretching. Stretch, stretch, stretch.
Jack, where is Jack hiding today?
I am hiding. You can't see me.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Come out, come out.
Okay, I am awake.
This is the bed. We sleep in the bed. This is the pillow. The pillow is soft.
Jack, please make your bed. Can you do it?
I am making my bed. Look, I am trying.
Look at my bed. My bed is tidy and clean.
Ouch. Oh, good morning, everyone.
Daddy bumped into the door.
It is 7:10. Time to go to the bathroom.
I am going first. I am so fast.
Where are my slippers? I cannot find them. Found them. Wait for me. I am coming.
I need my school uniform. Here it is. This is my red shirt. Red is the color.
These are my blue pants. Blue is the color.
Where are my socks? These are not the same.
Where are my socks? I had clean socks here. These are all old socks. Where are the clean ones?
Daddy looks funny.
Here they are, Brown, right here.
Jack, here is your blue shirt. Let me help you. I am putting on my shirt. 1 button, 2 buttons.
I am putting on my pants. They are on.
Here's one shoe, and here is the other.
Look at me. I look so silly.
Look, I am so strong, like a superhero.
Everyone looks so nice. Good job. Let me tie your shoe. Like this, see?
Is my tie straight? I think it is crooked.
There. Now your tie is perfect.
We are ready. Look at us, Mom.
We look so cool, like real students.
It is 7:20. Hurry to the bathroom.
Run fast. I am the fastest.
Wait, who is first? Let me check.
I am first. No, I am first.
No way. I am older, so I am first.
Anna, use the sink. Jack, use the other one.
Good idea. I can brush my teeth here.
Cool. I have my own sink. Yeah.
Oh, everyone is already brushing. I am late.
I am brushing my teeth. Watch me.
Look at my dinosaur toothbrush. It is so cool.
I need some toothpaste. Just a little bit.
Oh, wow. So much toothpaste. It is so big.
I am brushing my teeth. Round and round.
Look at all the bubbles. I am a bubble monster.
Now I rinse. Swish, swish. Clean.
I am rinsing too. Swish, swish, spit.
Now I wash my face. Splash, splash.
My face is so wet.
I am drying my face. Now I look nice. I am combing my hair. It needs to be neat.
Oh no, my hair is so messy. It is crazy.
Jack, let me help you. Sit still, please.
Wow, my hair looks great. Thank you, Anna.
Let's make silly faces. Watch this.
Like this, and like this. Ha ha!
Look, my teeth are so clean and white. We need to clean up. Let me help.
I am helping too. Let me clean this.
Let me help you finish. Together, we are fast. Look, the bathroom is clean now. Good job, everyone. It is 7:35. Time for breakfast. I am so hungry. What is for breakfast?
Pancakes! I want pancakes! Run fast!
Come, everyone. Breakfast is ready. Sit down. Everyone, sit down. Breakfast is ready.
What is for breakfast? I want to see everything.
We have cereal, milk, juice, toast, and fruit.
I want this cereal. It has honey.
I want the chocolate cereal. It is the best.
I am pouring the cereal into the bowl. Now I pour the milk. Look at it go. This cereal is yummy. I love it.
Yum, yum, yum. So good. Look at me eat.
Good toast. Very good toast.
Here is some juice. Drink it all.
The juice is so sweet. I feel refreshed.
I am drinking so fast. The juice is great. Perfect toast. Just right. Golden and crispy.
I am so full. My tummy is happy now.
I am full. But can I have more? Please?
Thank you for breakfast, Mom. It was yummy.
Thank you, Mom. Yummy.
You are welcome. I am happy you ate well. Let me clear the table. You can help too.
I can help carry these. I am careful.
Look, I am helping. I got the spoon.
It is 7:50. We need to pack bags.
Run fast. We are going to be late.
Here is my backpack. I found it.
Where is my backpack? I cannot see it. Here it is, behind the couch. I found it.
What do I need to pack? Let me think. I am packing my books. They go in first. My pencils and eraser go in too. Very important.
I am packing fast. Everything goes in. And my notebook. I cannot forget this. Oh no. My homework. I cannot find it.
Jack, look. Here is your homework. Under the table.
Thank you, Anna. You are the best sister.
I need my jacket. It might be cold outside.
Where is my jacket? Again? This is hard.
Here it is, Jack. Right here on the hook.
I am putting on my jacket. Zipper is stuck.
I am putting on my shoes. Tie them tight.
My shoes are on. They feel a little weird.
Everyone looks good. Wait, keys. I need keys.
Here are the keys. I have them right here.
Everyone is ready. Bags, jackets, shoes, keys.
Wait, I need my water bottle. Cannot forget that.
The door is open. Let's go outside.
We are outside. The sun is so bright.
Wait for me. Locking the door now. Walking to school. Everyone stay together. We are walking to school. It is not far.
We are walking on the sidewalk. It is safe here.
Look at the trees. And the houses are so pretty.
I am walking fast. I am the fastest.
Wait, stay together. Do not run ahead.
Look at the beautiful garden. There are flowers.
Good morning, Mr. Chen. Nice day.
Good morning to you two. Have a great day.
Woof! A dog! I hear a dog barking.
Bye-bye, doggy. You are so cute.
Stop! We need to cross the street. Look both ways.
I am looking left and right. No cars.
Now we cross. Walk, do not run, hold hands.
Look, I can see the school. There it is.
Hey, Tom and Emma, wait for us.
Hi, Tom. Hi, Emma. We are walking together.
We are all walking to school together. Cool.
We are going in. Bye-bye, Mom and Dad.
They made it. Have a great day, kids.
Here is the hallway. Our classroom is near.
This is our classroom, Mrs. Cindy's class.
I see Teacher Cindy. She is inside.
Good morning, Teacher Cindy.
Good morning, Anna and Jack. Welcome to school.
Thanks for watching our adventure today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to join our family on more exciting journeys. See you in the next video.